What is up? It's your boy LilBroken back with another video, and today basically I'm just gonna be getting into my skincare routine. Also, if you guys are trying to check out how I do my hair, I will leave a link in the description, or it might be at the end of the video, so go ahead and go check that out. If you guys are new, go ahead and smash that sub button, leave a like, comment what kind of content you want to see, or anything. It could be anything. Just, let me know in the comments. Let me know if I should try different products, if I should try different hair products, whatever you guys want to see, I'm willing to do it. So make sure to comment down below, let me know, leave a like, all that. If you're returning, welcome back. Glad to have you in the fam. Glad to have you coming back watching my videos. I really appreciate it. Let's get right into it. I'm not gonna have you guys waiting any longer. So first things first, we got our facial gel wash. You already know when you wake up, this is what you hit your face with. Or when you're going to sleep after a long day, you've been outside, go ahead and clean your face up with a gel wash. I try not to use too much, probably about that much right here. I'll be trying to leave a link in the description to all these products down below, so make sure to go check out the description at the end of the video if you want to try some of these products. After you get that rubbed in, it should turn out something like this. All rubbed in, get it in there, and then you just rinse it off. Now that you have that rinsed off, on to the next product. So we have our 5-in-1. This is basically just to fight acne. So if you have any actually right now, skin's pretty nice. But if you have like some bad acne, like you got like a nice fat pimple right here, and you're just trying to get rid of it, this stuff works. I got like a little bottle. This thing's pretty small. You can get bigger bottles too. Like I said, I'll leave a link in the description. It'll probably be to a bigger one, but you can also look on your own to find a smaller one if you just want to try it out. But for me, so far, it's been pretty good. It gets rid of acne relatively quick. When you're doing this routine, don't worry about whether or not you want to do it in the morning or at night. It doesn't matter. It's your preference. Whatever you want to do, do whenever. I do it 3 days a week. I usually do my face routine 3 days a week, and usually I'll mix it up. I'll do it in the morning, I'll do it at night, so doesn't matter. Just for your guys' sake, so you kind of know what to do, I'm just gonna use a little bit. Okay, that doesn't look like a little bit, but trust me, it was a fairly small amount. I'm just spreading it out. Basically, you just rub it in real good. Just keep rubbing it. If you got one of those little scrubby things, that helps too. That really gets it in there. But once you have that rubbed in pretty good, all you do is rinse your face off, and that's pretty much it for that. Now that's rinsed off, now time for the detox. Honestly, I've been using charcoal detoxes for a while. Like, this was like the one before I started doing like an actual skincare routine. This is pretty much all I used. This and a little bit of rubbing alcohol on my face, and that was it. I didn't even use no moisturizer, no nothing. All I did, detox, alcohol. So yeah, my face was pretty dry, but I have naturally oily skin, so realistically it didn't really affect me too much. Like, my face will be dry, but trust me, sometime during the day my skin will be fine. Don't even worry about it. But anyways, this is my first time actually trying this. I used to use L'Oreal, but someone suggested this for me when I went to Walgreens, and he seemed like he knew what he was talking about, so we're gonna give it a try. First thing first, this stuff smells good, bro. I'm not gonna lie. This stuff smells pretty freaking good. Another thing I noticed about this product is it's lighter. Like, if you guys, I don't know, if you guys have me on Snapchat and stuff like that, one thing I do notice is this mask is like lighter as in like color wise and thinner, like, you know, thickness of the mask. So that's just one thing to note. So I wonder how this is gonna look when it dries up. It's probably gonna be like really light gray, but we'll see. I'll get back to you guys. It's probably gonna be about 10-15 minutes for this to dry, so just go sit down, maybe eat if you want to, go watch a video. I would recommend watching the video. Go watch one of my videos. I don't know, do what you want to do, but 10-15 minutes, you'll be good. Also, when you're applying this, don't be scared to get this like I get this like in every freaking spot possible, basically, you know what I'm saying, all over the face. So feel free to use as much as you want. After it's dried up, it should look something like this. All nice and dry. Now just gotta rinse it off, and I'll get back to you guys in a second. Now that that's washed off, this next step you don't have to do if you don't want to, but what I like to do is something I've been doing for a long time. Just take a little bit of alcohol. I only use the 70%, it says, for rubbing and massaging. So honestly, you can use it on your face. I'm pretty sure you can honestly use any alcohol on your face, but I'm just saying, like, I know there's one, I think it's the green one, I'm not sure, but there's one that is fine for your face, or best for your face. It does dry your skin out, so if you have dry skin already, then it's probably, well, if we're gonna get into the moisturizer next, so if you do have dry skin, it's okay, because we do use a moisturizer in this routine. I mean, most routines are gonna have a moisturizer anyway, but I'm just saying, if you don't want to do it, you don't have to. But it does help get rid of acne too. So if you have bad acne, that's something you can do. But if you don't really have acne, I mean, I guess reasonably you don't have to. So what I do, take like the end of my rag, put a little bit on there, just like barely, like you see it's barely even wet. And yeah, you just go around. This will help get like any detox that's left over on your face. My eyes are freaking burning. But anyways, yeah, like this stuff, it smells, but I mean that's clear as day. Anyways, it does help get rid of some of that detox that's left over on your face that you might have not rinsed all the way off. So yeah, but that's pretty much it. You just rub your skin, and that's it, bro. It's really quick. It's a really quick step. It doesn't take that much time at all. And just like that, we're done. We're done with that, at least. Now we're to the final step, which is the moisturizer. This stuff is bomb. I would highly recommend it. Like, it kind of like it moisturizes your face, but like when you first put it on, it kind of like mattifies it, if you know what I mean. It's not like super glossy, like, I don't know how to explain it, but your skin will get oily if you're like me. My skin is naturally oily, so further down the line, dude, my my skin gets pretty oily, but that's why I try not to use too much of this, because like I said, I don't really need it necessarily. Like, it's kind of good to kind of dry out my skin a little bit, because I know later on in the day, I'm telling you, especially my nose, so we're gonna take like, that's kind of a lot for me, but what I like to do is take it and kind of dab it. I'll dab like a little bit right there. That's a lot. Oh, crap, whatever. Dab on the side of my cheeks, on the nose a little bit, right there. Looks silly, but trust me. And like, look at all this that I didn't use. That's just going right back in there. Anyways, from there, it's a bit, but you know, we'll be fine. Just take it and start going to work, man. Moisturize that skin. And that's pretty much it. That's the skincare routine in a nutshell. If you guys enjoyed the video, like I said in the beginning, make sure to drop a like. If you're new, subscribe. I'll be coming out with more videos. I might try new products. Maybe you guys can recommend some down below in the comment section. That will help out a lot. And you know, there's more videos for you guys. Till next time, peace. I forgot one thing. Boom, patches. Look, these things right here are overnight patches. They come in like different sizes. I don't know if you can kind of tell in the box, but that one's a little smaller than this bad boy. So they come in like different sizes in the pack. They come in a pack of 30. I pick them up at Fred Meyer. I'm pretty sure you should be able to pick them up at most places, but yeah, they're just small little patches. You put them in the area. If you have like a big bump or something, perfect. You know, just put a patch right over it. You can go to sleep. You can go about your day. It's pretty clear. It's somewhat visible, but it's not like oh, I wouldn't even see it. Reasonably. Like I said, it's pretty good. You can't really tell, and they stay on throughout the night too. So yeah, just thought I'd add that. But anyways, officially now, peace.